First fish. Little brim this will be. Little brim. There you go. And we're away. Very small little brim. Can cast. That's about the size of brim you're getting in this place. Only little fellas. Someone's been chopping at him actually. Ooh. Away again. Right on the edge, man. Little samaki. Ooh, one going. Nice little, ooh, decent sized brim. Look at this. Look at this. Good fishing one. Had to be a legal brim, that bastard. Look at him. Look at that. That's not a bad brim for Burleigh Lake. Hey? Not a bad brim for Burleigh Lake. Here's a bit of a release. Ah. Looking alright. 2 fish. Right against the bank. This is a 4-pound gear, all this too, by the way. 4-pound braid, 4-pound FC rock. Way, we're away. Your samaki's getting a bit of work today. Oh, baby. Another little brim. 3 fish. A few today. Another brim. That's a decent brim too. Whee! A decent brim this. Come on baby. Not a bad brim at all. Burleigh Lake. What a good little session. Just when it's starting to rain. There you go. That would be a good legal brim. Hey. We're on, baby. Right on the edge. Yeah. Whee. That is recording. Whee. The old brim, you know, they can give you a bit of good fun, can't they? Yeah, you cut it out, mate. Another decent size. Oh no, he's only a little fella. He's only a little fella. Just a little brim. Just got a good hit. Whoa! Good brim. I think so. Ooh, yeah, baby. Yeah, nice. Not that big, but geez, give it a good hit.